This is Mandy from Rosie Posy Design Co. And today I'm going to show you how to do a 2-color fisherman rib in the round. Fisherman rib is very similar to brioche, where you will have a dominant color showing up here, and then if you flip it over, the opposite color will appear here. First, you will do a setup round of just a knit one, purl one rib, and then we will get going. So I've done several rounds already, but let me show you. So my orange is my color A, my teal is my color B. So with color A, you're going to, for the knit stitch, you are going to go below your the stitch on your left needle. So normally you would go in like that, but for fisherman rib, you are going to stick your needle right through there below that stitch, and you're going to knit like that. And then you're going to do a normal purl, and then again below. And since you are using orange for color A, I always keep track like that. So any knit stitch that I'm using orange is going to be in the stitch below. So let me show you that again slowly. Stick your left or your right needle tip in the stitch below on your left needle and knit it off like that. Then you do a regular purl, and then again in through there, stitch below, knit it off, purl. One more time, in through the stitch below, knit, and then slip it right off. Now when you complete the round with color A, you'll switch to color B, which I'm using teal, and you start with a knit, and then the purl now, instead of doing a regular purl, which would be into this part of the stitch, you are going to go below the stitch and do a purl through there. So it's kind of like the opposite to what we just did. So now purl in the stitch below right there. See, let me move my needle here. If you can see, there's a little hole right down there. So you're just going to go from the back through purling in the stitch below. So again, we'll do a knit and then purl in the stitch below. So now when I'm using teal, I know that my purls are all going to be in the stitch below. So my oranges, I do the knit stitch below. My teal, I do a purl stitch below. And you get this beautiful ribbing like that.